Here's a short answer. Your next new patient is not Googling first, they're actually scrolling. Social media has become a search engine. If you're not showing up, you're not in the running. It's your chance to build your brand and influence how people perceive your clinic, showcase your expertise and patient results with, for example, before and after cases, and educate, build trust, and stay top of mind for your prospective patients. It's not just about content, it's about creating a connection with potential patients before they even walk through your doors or before they even call your practice to book an appointment. And your future patients are already watching. So show them who you are, trusted, experienced, and human, because trust and familiarity equals loyalty. And it all starts with your content on social media. Hi, I'm Natalia Pora, CEO and founder of NP Dental Marketing. And if you're a practice owner who is looking to start your online presence or to elevate the current online presence that you have or revamp your website, my team and I cannot wait to speak to you. To start this process, you can book an online appointment, a discovery call with one of us.